Hi and welcome to the So Many Things YouTube channel. I'm Tim, your host. Here you get to sew with the boys, quilt with the boys, embroider with the boys, and of course, mostly have some fun, and you might learn something along the way. Stay tuned! Hi and welcome. Let's talk about changing the needle in our NX7. First off, you want to turn the machine off or use the machine in the lock mode. Remember, we always want to be safe when we're doing things with our machine. You'll need your T screwdriver provided with the machine, and you'll need your needle bar to be in the upper position. You may do this by using the needle up, needle down button before you lock the machine, or by using the hand wheel. Once the needle is in the highest position, lower your feed dog so you have more room to work. With the screwdriver in your right hand, grasp the needle in your left fingers. Put the screwdriver into the black screw and turn it 1 or 2 times towards you to loosen the screw. You will now be able to slide the needle down and remove it from its holder. You might want to grip it just in case, because if you don't, you'll have to go fishing for it later. To insert a new needle, you'll simply reverse this process, paying careful attention to the flat or back side of the needle. Our JUKI machine uses regular household needles. Household needles always have a flat side to them, and on our machine that goes to the back or the rear of the machine. You simply slide that in as you took out the old one and tighten the screw on the side with the screwdriver. Make sure that when you put the needle in, it goes all the way to the top so that it stops on its own. There's a stop little pin up there to keep it from traveling too far. Organ needles are what come with the machine, and that's what's recommended.